Yes, we're back. Well, lovely weekend. Any of Nigeria, what did you do with this spectacular this weekend?
Very restful. I sleep till sleep and sleep. But I spent 4 hours for filling station.
Yes.
That one's normal.
Why? Why? For this
season. It plenty. But you never
they don't even
like that now.
They don't even agree sell.
So she doesn't just queue aimlessly.
I need to meet you to tell you where to actually go.
See, people will know where to get. Please, what can I tell?
I need to meet you.
I enjoy my own weekend, you know. We had some kind of carottings. Christmas already in the air. So some carols here, carol there. Oh, in fact, Saturday carol, Sunday carol, and I'm here.
Wow.
Monday. Who let you Caro?
As in, Caro.
Now she Whiskey sing the song of Caro.
Caro, yes.
Whiskey don't break up with Caro.
I tell
finally.
Which are you telling?
You never sing Caro
again.
Okay. But tell me what you do with your weekend, Jerry.
Okay, my weekend, first of all, I go one beautiful movie premiere. Very, very amazing movie where we watch for inside the cinema. And then I actually hang out with few of my friends from school days. You don't tell one like 2 years we never see. Yeah. So it did very, very casual. I did very happy and ginger to see everybody. Everybody come and tell me, say, you don't fat. I say, praising Shiloh.
Praising Shiloh. That's not the line. Praising Shiloh.
Nah, so.
I like how they give me lines. Wonderful.
I like as they
and I gathered the lines for you because we will soon enter studio.
You know.
You're single.
Next year, album want to pull a Beyonce.
Yeah.
And we'll just drop the album.
In total, I will not say we actually enjoy our weekend.
Yeah. You never tell us how you spend your own.
I actually enjoy my own. I go for one crusade like that. And then on Sunday, I go for Cody and the kids. Cody for Wasabi FM.
I vex. I just see the thing for Instagram. And so I just a roll for roller coaster and all that. So say, see children.
I know because roller coaster.
No, you use a video.
All right, today on Motivational Monday, and to actually make sure you enjoy your Mondays, we get motivational video for you. We get motivational quote, better manners of the day. We also get some discussion topics that we'll go bring come out for all of us to put our mouth inside. Wow. But sometimes when I see videos like this, it actually they're very disheartening to know say person go do this kind of badness to a little baby, put him inside bag and just go drop the baby for nowhere. What if, let's say, a car run over the baby, or one kind animal comes Saturday eats the baby?
I don't see the one where animal eats. I don't see the one where ants eat because na newborn go drop them for near tree, and for Kaduna, imagine Harmattan period. So ants just run over the baby and all that, eat the baby. The baby now they cry now attract people. The baby cry till he die. So
now people need to understand. So the reason why we actually play this video now because my video we done the trend online. A lot of people don't view them and people don't comment on them already. So we just decide to bring them make you watch this particular video and understand how the lengths where people feel go in throwing their baby away.
And also being good because that girl now they say she no actually decides that she won't take that Pikin. Now that now another case of Pikin where they abandon we go buy. Just like that. But this one, she actually take out her time, irrespective of the stigma, all the insults, all the cha-cha-cha for back. She no mind. She actually keep the Pikin with her, and she keep the Pikin well. Nobody say she can't treat the Pikin anyhow.
Yeah. You know, but if you look at the thing, like, you know, society where we dey, if you see that kind of Pikin, I pick the Pikin from where they put them. I don't know if, like, she faced the stigma and all those things. You know, get procedure where you need to go through. Because, yes, they abandoned the Pikin. But tomorrow, person can't tell you, say, where you get this Pikin from. Say you steal them. You understand what they talk? So all these kind of things they happen. So I feel say some people, the fear to even pick that pikin go still dey. Highest, if you pick the pikin, yes, go drop am for either motherless home or police station or one of the two. So some people go just say and say, I beg, I know wahala, leave the pikin go. But yes, some people they very selfless. They don't even want to know how the pikin they come about. As long as this pikin need care, I'm ready to do them. Like I don't know if our country.
No, I know of one story of one way the village. Now she said this baby for farm. When she go farm, she can't carry the baby go meet the chief ruler. Yeah. Yes, and the chief ruler got us say, okay, we don't know get this baby, but if you decide to take care of the baby, fine, we're going to support you. So she started to take care of the baby. Now talking about a city like this, you just see baby for your front. I don't say the process now for you to report straight to the police first, and the police go actually determine if they will carry and go orphanage home, or I don't know how they fit actually do them if you want to actually keep the baby with you, but I know the process actually there for you to decide to keep the baby with you. But now actually very touching video, and that's now why we're playing for you. We're going to need to buy a small break. When we come back, we go hide the tempo a little bit. That video bring and come down. Yeah. They come back.
During your wedding day, if you do fasting.
Smooth as this all where I don't pay money. I said to JJ, I'll collect my money.
Robo. What's up, Robo?
Well, that's the now so now.
Saying that. You don't know the group. You don't know your group. What is the name of this group?
Come on, 5 o'clock when I was here, please. Come on, here.
All right, now most of what they cost most of the now fuel. Federal government wanna try. 3,000 on Wazobia TV.
Man, I think they jealous fan.
For latest yarn and tori from your Sempe programs, where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Instagram, www.instagram.com/Wazobia TVNG.
Nation to stand still. Tell Nigerians who do me this thing.
Now we
Power with the get we they call veto power.
right. Welcome back. It's still on top of the Good Morning Nigeria show.
They say if you go knock person on top the road and the person buy, so then go charge you with a murder case.
Yeah, we take it all down. Yeah.
Welcome time that we trust the sources of entertainment in Nigerian G.
Sports levels with this.
The matter when they bring on top health corner.
You only know for one Papa Georgia.
Feel it. Good morning. All right, now, wonderful people, now welcome to Talk today, Motivational Monday. We don't play our motivational video for you. All right, time for us to deal with some stories where they trend over the weekend. Now, the first person we will discuss today now, Dakore. Now, Dakore don't come outside talk some things concerning wearing short knickers. Now, according by her, for example, when we sent interview where she do, she talk say, person of see me, say I wear bomb shorts. I not be fan of that one, no. He said, I just don't like it. I used to wear bomb shorts. I used to wear shorts when I be there younger. But now when I don't old, I don't actually stop. There are times where you wear something and you not go like the attention where you they get. I got stop. I am very ladylike in the way I dress. Now, within Dakore, don't come outside talk about her dressing. Now, people don't they come outside even attack her. You know, Nigerians will not get chill at all. People they attack her say, now by force say you must wear shorts. And also, some people they talk say, what has getting old got to do with some of your dressing sense? Within getting old got to do with them. So we don't bring them come our table. Now, you feel say, as you grow older, you need to drop some dress, some kind of particular dress where you they wear, or you continue.
Depend. It depends. Because I feel some people, their body, some people when they grow, they don't really look like, you know, age just did nice to some people.
To them.
Nice.
To some people.
Yeah.
Age they very nice to them. So you don't go even know whether this person the age or this person the anything. If you just wear normal shirt and trousers and you go, oh, you look like you're 20. Depends if you don't the clock in 40, so.
That's all.
So you just, I don't really feel say it really determined because some people, it just do okay for some people.
So even though you're 50, you can wear bumper shorts?
Hey, I say it depend.
Okay.
When you say bumper
I just
short,
ask you.
when you say at age 50, if your skin on the wrinkle, they squeeze, they weak.
No need for them.
Why you go there? What they show? What are you showing? But like I said, some people they blessed. Let me talk and some people they blessed.
Well,
They
to me, I
fit
just
go out
feel
and wear.
saying her self-respect. I appreciate the fact that she understand everything for life get timing. You get time to become seed. You get time to go plant you. You get time where you go germinate to become roots, stem, and branches. Then they'll get fruit underneath it. She don't pass the stage of when she be girl, where she dey wear am, and that time no complain. Now she don't come marry, and wetin you want to make your children become, I just dey talk am, but na reality, we like am or not, na reality. Wetin you want, she don't dey grow children, her daughter don't reach like 5 or 6. Wetin you want to make the children become tomorrow, you go set the standard today. Me, I come from north. I don't believe in the bomb short thing. If I wear myself, I know they comfortable. So I prefer to wear the long gown. And for the most part, the trousers what they wear and the long gown what they wear, I don't get more comments on the long gown, say it suits you more than the trousers. So I get time where I go always pack the trouser. More they honest. Then secondly, if you look your body structure, I go see some people, mostly when we go beach, I go see some people like now by force they have to wear this thing, the whole body no they breathe, they forced to move inside the whole thickness. You know, say Nigerian women thick. If they forced to, why go through that stress? Where chiffon wey long cover, make it a flow. You dey free. The skin self go enjoy himself for where you carry and
go collect fresh air.
Yes. So you don't need all those. No.
I agree with Queen Bee, I agree with Amaka, but at the same time, you get one saying when they say dress the way you want me to address you.
God bless
because at
you.
the end of the day, like Dakore talk, she said because of her age, you know, if they wear bomb shot. Not that one no be say because of she don't read. Maybe assume say she be 40 years old. That one no mean say everybody we don't clock 40 no go wear bomb shot.
Yeah.
But then when they wear some certain clothes, you need to prepare your mind to accept the kind comments, the kind toasters, the kind attention, thank you, where they come from people, you understand? For example now, you know if you see Mrs. Buhari, they wear bomb shorts because she no go collect the kind of attention where she deserve. At the same time, you no go see a Tiwa Savage, make she tie rapper up and down, make she can't tie the hair, they get they perform on top stage. Everybody, their own discipline, they're different. You dress according to how you want to make people address you. If you want me to address you as funky person, oh well and good, you wear the funky clothing. If you want me to address you as Hajia, you wear Hajia clothing. If you want me to address you as a selling body person, you know what to wear.
Exactly.
I tell you, I don't actually talk and finish. That's the way you want me to address you. Like what you should talk. If you want me to address you as a celebrity person, fine. If you want me to address you as a person where they're decent, fine. So it just they all up to you to decide what you want to. Yes, like what you talk, Amaka, age. Some people feel they're 40. And the way they go wear the bumper shorts, you not go even see them as say it's short. You know, say every one of us, we get our own body shape and everything.
Yeah.
I fit wear short dress now. I not going to actually look very wow.
Yeah.
But if I wear
But person if you wear
No try am.
but if I wear them, no, just not say person, boy.
But if you wear them,
wow.
it go look like, is this woman married?
Is she okay?
She don't get respect for herself.
Aside marry herself, you know who they look
people
yourself
go say and
as.
then see this one, she they come out house, so nobody tell them.
Yes.
I tell you.
And people where they around and say that they help her.
And you know sometimes maybe we no lie to ourselves. Actually, some people say, "Oh, Queen Bee, you look Santa-licious."
That is human being.
No, but that's insult.
And then just walk out small and say, that one, what did she wear? What did she wear? And she don't marry.
And I sabi do that thing from afar, and I go, waiting be this one.
Before you come out with Queen Bee, she don't. People, anybody they pass say, such woman fine. Oh, I like the way she take this rapper. Why this one be like this? Which kind of hair be this?
Because now the orientation what I get, I understand. Say as a woman,
No, I understand
even your armpits as a woman, it is sexual to some people.
Yeah.
You understand?
Everything is sexual.
Really? Yes. Yeah.
Even your nose.
Yeah.
Nose, eye, mouth.
Yes. That's why some people see under the leg for school, under the leg here. Some people they turned off for them. That's why for school abuser they go tell you it has to go down. It has to go
Even
down.
stretch marks,
They don't
they
want
make some
to, yes,
people
they turn some people
turn
on.
on.
So no go there.
So I tell you.
So I beg cover them. Except if you still dey look for the market though.
I tell you now, like what you talk, especially when you don't start to get children.
Yeah.
If you don't want me that they wear bumper shorts or they wear all those things where they expose their body, then you need to lead by example. Because if they wear them and you scold them, say, don't wear this thing, it's too short. They say, Mommy, but you used to wear it.
I go
now.
refer you to your picture.
It's just like
Refer.
but it's just like a father smoking. And then one day you catch your pikin, they smoke. And they beat up. Why are you smoking? Why are you smoking? Excuse me. If they see you, they smoke all the time.
Generation
and
of
a normal
these days.
thing.
This generation go tell Daddy, but you were once
They
there.
learn from you.
You know, so that the time of our own, when we grew up with our parents, we fit see picture, but leave and
know
no go give you.
talk,
As in, you
you
don't
know
get to leave and to
talk,
go
you
tell
know
them, say,
talk.
I see your picture, but
You
these
know
days,
If make mistake, draw the picture. Mommy, that your picture that you wear one short skirt like this. I saw it now. Why are you not disturbing me?
you know, fit follow that pikin talk for life.
I feel another thing where they trend now where I actually get my own reservation. Whether I don't say everybody on their own things where they do. Now pregnant women where they actually wear very, very short dress.
I observe them.
It dey irritate
Very,
me.
very short dress.
Aside from
baby.
short,
They
they'll come
irritate
wear like ordinary spaghetti. All these places will come, they open. They say
Why?
that pregnancy. That pregnancy cause
They say even though I'm pregnant, I have to look sexy.
Wow.
But really, I understand say you need to still look sexy. I understand say sometimes
Is that
pregnancy they
sexy?
actually affect
That one na
women in the
sexy.
sense that you just feel say you don't lose all your body
Sexy
shape.
is
But
relative.
please.
Yeah, it depends on
please.
what you define as
Now, let's
sexy.
make me they
You
act
know what?
sexy.
It's just
now.
like majority of us feel say now when you wear short things, now then you are sexy.
Nah, come on.
Majority of us,
Yeah.
now what we they think.
Yes.
And especially for the guys, some guys head. Let's say all of us now we wear kaftan, and then only Betiana decide to wear shorts.
Yeah.
Why me?
I'm just saying. Make you walk out down the street. Nobody to talk to all of us.
Yeah, because they inside their head.
No,
Then
no,
she
no,
goes-
no.
some people mentality now when person wear short dress.
But
na
then
then
out
the
of
person
20
dey
people
sexy.
we go talk to you, we maybe now 1 or 2 go talk to
I'm
us.
telling you, Betiana,
they no go even see us.
Yeah.
18 go meet you.
They no go see us.
Because they don't, to them, they feel say sexy. Now when person wear short dress,
They need
her
to
legs
see
dey
everything.
show. Hey, see
The
that
shape
girl
they
leg.
show, everything they set, that is sexy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
When we start to talk here. No
All right,
fast.
you were there. Tell us what you think about. And you feel say as person they grow old, you need to change some of your dress, your dress sense.
Yeah.
The way you take the dress, you need to change them as you they grow old. Just let us know about what you think about them. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia or enter Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. Now, moving on from that story, another very, very touching story. Now, this one, another case of child abuse where one consigned Nigeria. Now, something where they trend online for social media over the
Since on
weekend.
Friday or so.
Yes, it's on Friday, thereabouts.
Yeah.
Now, the girl, now she actually shared this particular story of a young girl will be 9 years old and her name na Onyinyechi. Now, according by this lady who send this message now, she talks say, one little girl who they call Onyinyechi, they always call my mama shop where I dey currently work while I dey wait for youth service to buy some things for her auntie. This little girl, so every time when she comes, she dey always smile. But only when you take a closer look at her, you go see say pain dey for inside this girl body. And this one na the pain wey she dey pass through in the hands of her madam. On Monday, when she come the shop, blood stain be dey all over her body. And when I look her head, I even see say they don break the head into 2 pieces, different places. For inside 2 different places. He say when I ask her who do this one, she talks say na auntie break her head because her auntie baby food finish and she forget to tell her auntie. This particular girl where they write the story so talk say she dey very close to tears. And when she even asked the girl say you don't chop at about 12 p.m. the girl talk say no, she never
12 p.m.
chop.
for night.
12 p.m. for night.
Night or afternoon?
Night.
But be afternoon, because what is they find for shop?
Yeah,
night.
In the afternoon, say she never shop in the afternoon. Now, Onyinyechi, according to this story, say Onyinyechi also come again the shop another day to see her and to show her the latest design where the auntie don't put on top her body. And this design, now bites, belt mark, and plenty of other things. Like what you see for the picture, so now the auntie don't put for her body. They flog her with belt and they give her red patch for her eye. You will see the picture of her eyes. And this one not there enough. The auntie even went as far as biting the girl. And
her.
to crown am up, the girl no dey go school. So she dey house 2-4-7. Now, according by the girl where they write the message, she dey actually call for people to actually chook him out inside. She even drop her number. We're going to need to call her later on. She even drop her number for anybody where if he help this young girl locate her parents, because the young girl don't even know who her parents be. This is just another case of child abuse.
Serious one.
You get 9-year-old maid. 9-year-old maid. I would like
First
to know
of all,
the law.
the name
9
years old where they
maid.
stay with you
Don't want to
as a maid alone. They need to
child
first
abuse on
arrest
its own.
you.
That is it.
Why?
It's
And
against
They go
the
charge
law.
you that one separately. Then secondly, the
can't dey
abuse of the
maltreat.
child.
No.
As in, you can imagine. Now, what you not think, say? It's so touchy. What do you think the person supposed to do about this? This girl go get help at all?
See now, you see our country now in the buying and selling of children. A country where dog even they expensive past human being. Because if you go around the mall here, you go see where they sell dogs of 200 and something thousand. But for this show, we don't talk them several times. So when we see parents or people waking up picking sell them for 10,000, 70,000, 50,000, 100,000 naira. So where the value for human life come dey? This kind of one knife, then tell me say them buy the pikin. I no go because they pay for they use what in them
She don't
pay
even know
for.
her parents.
Yes.
Where did we lost it? Where we say
9
we
years
value
old
human life
pikin.
anymore?
So who now giving own 9-year-old pikin out to somebody to stay with?
Poverty.
We know say our parents they do them days parents. One of my auntie like and she born like 6 children, but she distribute all the
share am.
children to all the members of the family. Once she don't come visit you, feel say you dey alright. She'll carry you come here and say, auntie,
You know what?
no carry
I know we
anyone
get
come
lots to
here.
talk about this particular story, but we're going to need to talk more on top and when we come back after the break. So just stay with us, don't go
Heartbreaking.
anywhere.
Heartbreaking.
9 years old. Can imagine.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.